I'd like to introduce you to BatchMaster software. Our company is 100% focused on delivering leading formula-based process manufacturing solutions to the food, chemical, nutraceutical, and life science industries. Manufacturers all face the same challenges, although their industry-specific regulations may be different. Operations wants to gain control over the variabilities inherent in their products and processes and scale up operations. Users want greater visibility to real-time accurate manufacturing data to make better informed decisions faster. And management wants to ensure regulatory compliance and reduce overall costs. With the growth of omnichannel commerce, many process manufacturers are looking for new software solutions to grow their businesses. Our process manufacturing software helps our customers accelerate product development, balance inventory while scaling up production, ensure quality, achieve safety certifications, and establish a continuous improvement program, comply with FDA or GHS industry regulatory mandates, plan and schedule batch jobs in advance based on supply and demand, schedule purchase orders to meet batch jobs requirements on the planning horizons, and execute receiving, put away, production, picking, and shipping tasks, as well as other inventory-related movements and adjustments using mobile devices such as smart tablets. For those process manufacturers who require an end-to-end ERP solution, we offer BatchMaster ERP. This solution is built on the trusted SAP BusinessOne platform. Our process manufacturing ERP solution is sold, implemented, and supported by BatchMaster software. And the world-class ERP solution is a perfect solution for those process manufacturers who do business both domestically and internationally. The front office processes supported by BatchMaster ERP include finance, sales, purchasing, customer service, thanks to built-in CRM capabilities, and supply chain management. BatchMaster software gives your company the means to streamline your operations, scale up production, and ensure compliance with ever more stringent industry regulations. Contact us today to learn how our process manufacturing solutions can help your company meet its business objectives. Thanks so much.